This is what cycling does to a person.
रोड पे लाता है.
रोड पे रोड पे ला दिया. वेरी नाइस. Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today it's a big one. Today I'm riding 200 kilometers to Karwar. So it's like on the other side of Goa. I'm riding all the way from north to south Goa and then across the border. Let's see how it goes. There's so much fog, man. There's fog everywhere. It's so dense. Let's go. It's pretty much dry since past few days, but it's monsoon season in Goa, so you don't know. I hope it won't really rain, because if it does, then it's gonna be really soggy, and I don't want to get soggy. I'm perfectly good dry, so I hope for the best that it won't rain. Dude, where are the lights, man? If I hit one of the potholes, I'm gone. God save me. Look at this. This is like a horror scene. This is exactly like a horror scene. Like, you're alone on your bike, just riding away in the darkness. Yeah, hello. There's not a single soul out here. Yeah, I hope it stays that way. Oh, there's one on the bike. Hello, soul. Right. Okay. I don't like this part, so I'm gonna go full speed here. Look at this. This road between Old Goa and Akshi, the Neura internal road, this gives me creeps. At times it's just pitch black. Nothing, you can't see anything. Made it to the highway, feels good.
New upgrade.
Once more.
New upgrade for the day.
Nice. He's an F1 fan. Tires warm up करता. Sleep जाता करने. Time for some breakfast. Puro. Okay, 50 kilometers in, we've had a nice delicious breakfast at Darbar Boy, and Darbar restaurant. They have some delicious samosas. Really good. You guys should try it out. On the way. We are currently climbing this ghat called Kalmal Ghat, and I'm almost at the top. Prathamesh has already reached and so sweating. Today it's very humid, like too much humid. Okay, I've reached the top. We are rolling. We are 70 kilometers in, just under halfway through. So we're making our way towards Karwar now. 30 more kilometers, then we'll reach. Let's go. This never-ending road. These roads are a torture. Like just there's nothing. You just pedal, pedal, pedal. It's unforgiving. 15 more kilometers to Karwar now. We're getting close. Getting very close. Crossed Karwar border. Let's go. Marzali. I guess there's like 8 more kilometers to Karwar, I think. I haven't checked, but almost around 8 or 10 kilometers. So we're gonna go there, take a U-turn and come back. That's the plan. Struggle is real. Desperate times, desperate measures. This is what cycling does to a person. Road pe road pe la diya. Very nice. We've taken a detour now onto concrete roads. I don't like concrete roads. They are just uncomfortable. But anyways, look at this view. खंयच्या तरी इंटरनल रोडार पावला आमी. Whoa. We don't know where we are. We don't know where we are going. Pretty cool. Look at this beauty. Spider-Man meme. It's right around 1:30 p.m. and okay, chalo bachal. It's around 1:30 p.m. and we had some lunch. It was nice, something veg we had, and we are right at the border town of whatever Goa Karwar border, and yeah, we're making our way back. I have logged a total of 109 kilometers now, so 109 more to go, so it will be well over 200. We have been blessed by the heat. So hot. I'm all covered up because of the sun. Don't want any tan lines or whatever. We're heading back now. Let's go. There, right there is the checkpost, the border coming up on it now. Okay guys, the rain gods have spoken. I think it's gonna rain very badly, so I'm gonna put the phone away. I don't think we'll be able to get any more footage, so let's see. Once the rain goes, I'll come back. That massive rain cloud just cleared away, and like, look at this, it's so nice. Yeah, we got rain down, but that's what we wanted. We were heating up, so the rain definitely helped. Now it's all cleared up. It's a nice weather. It's given us some energy to bring back, which is nice. Let's go. We're back on the Karmal road. We made it back here. Time to get back, climb it. Let's go. Pew! It's 3:30 p.m. right now. I've done around 150 kilometers. More 50 to go. My legs are so sore. Poder ala, poder. Hey, poder! Poder. Shenanigans never stops. This is the new thing that we've got today, the horn, poder on. And so we've crossed Kunkore. I'm headed towards Margao. Then straight to home. No stops in between. Full speed, full gas. There's proper rain that's coming. I don't think I'll be able to shoot anything more. I guess this is it. almost like 20 kilometers to my home, and yeah, it's pretty easy route. I'll make it 20 to go. That will be 200 in total. I'll show a total elevation graph so you know how much it was. Must be around 2000 or 1500 something. 200 kilometers North Goa to Karwar and back, and climbing one ghats, one epic ride. Yeah, I think it's about to rain now. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.